Hey everyone, welcome back to Seaport Mike's Automotive. Welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, we have a 2012 Hyundai Tacoma. I believe, I can't really pronounce it. I never heard of one of these, but it's a Hyundai. If anybody know how to, I never ever heard of one of these cars, but I just got a call in today to custom, cause it's just a weird word for me. But anyway, customer complained that when she filled up for gas, the car started shaking, hard to pull off, jerking and stuff like that. So we're going to diagnostic to see what's going on and see if we can put this thing back on the road for the customer. All right, so first thing first, let's crank it up and see what it does. Verify the complaint. I kind of struggle a little bit just to start, but as you can see, the check engine light is on. It's illuminated right here, as you can see. So I already got my scanner hooked up. KW803, a very good scanner. Had this one right here for a couple of years. First thing first, let's go into diagnostics. And as you can see, you can hear the mess and you can feel it. If you can really see it, it's shaking. I don't think I can really see it on camera. Let's go to yes, erase on past history codes. Go to engine, read codes. Okay, number one is misfire. So I'm gonna show y'all the easy way to diagnose this problem. So let's cut this engine off and let's go up underneath the hood. So let's say number one, even though y'all see I already got the cover off, it just pop out these little four grommets under here, go into the engine. So like they say, number one was misfiring. So what we could do, we could easily swap these two, and we're gonna crank it up and we're gonna see if number one change to number two, see if the misfire continues in number two. So these are 10 mil bolts, as you can see, and I already got these gray tabs pulled back. Simply press this little tab here and pull out like so. Press this little tab in the middle and pull out. Kind of stubborn sometimes, but give it a little wiggle and it'll come right out. 10 mil socket with my little Metco little driver. And what we can do, we can simply swap these two out. Even though I did it earlier, but I'm just, I was just showing y'all the video, making one of it, so y'all can do it at home. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars at a shop. And simply put your bolts back, snug it down, don't over tighten it. Even though I'm using a impact, but you'll get the feel what I'm talking about. About 2 beeps. Boom, like so. I'll just start the engine. All right. As you can see, it got even worse. Let's get back on the scanner. That's the old one, so let's go to penny codes. That's the old code. Now it's cylinder 2. It ran a misfire because I swapped it out like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete these, go to erase codes, All right, so it's still on the old codes because it still says cylinder number 1. So let's go to penny. So as you can see, it came back number 2. So yeah, there you go, y'all guys. That's how you do it. That's how you figure out if it was your coil packs or the fuel injection. See, if it was the fuel injections, the code, the code would have still say number 2 cylinder misfire. But see, as y'all can see, it changed. So the first time it was saying number 1, but now I jumped to cylinder 2 on the pinning codes. So there you go. If I missed anything, please link it below and let me know. It's your boy C4 Mike's Automotive. Get at me and see me on the next one.